What is Peachfolio? Peachfolio is a decentralized finance portfolio tracker app for your DeFi wallets. It lets you see the current value of your DeFi cryptocurrency tokens in one easy location. It can track every Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum chain tokens in your wallets, no matter how new the token is or when the token was launched. You add your wallets by adding your wallet address to the app. You never need to add your seed phrase because the Peachfolio app only uses publicly available information, making the app safe and secure. You can access all the data you need to make informed decisions and get the most out of your DeFi portfolio. What would I want a DeFi portfolio tracker? When you start investing in DeFi tokens, you quickly notice a few big problems. Wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet can show you the amount of a DeFi token you have in your wallet, but for new tokens, you usually can't see the actual dollar value of the token, and even when you can, it's not the current price right now. If a token is a brand new, you won't see it at all. This is because this app requires you to add them as a custom token. This is an awkward process where you need to know the right decimals for the token or you will see an incorrect value. If you are looking for the right moment to buy or sell, you have to spend hours on PancakeSwap watching the price. If you prefer watching a chart, you will need to go to even more sites or apps to get the data you need. The more tokens you own, the harder it is to track how you have invested. It doesn't take long before you can't remember the price you bought the token at or why you even bought it at all. Wouldn't it be great to be able to add notes to keep a record of important information? And what if you need to know the current market cap of one of your tokens? You will need to go to yet another site like to get it. If this list sounds familiar, you will understand how frustrating it can be. We were just as frustrated as you, and that's why we created Peachfolio Portfolio Tracker app. What next? If you would like to try the Peachfolio app, you can download it for free on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. To get access to our great pro features, you can buy the PCHF token on PancakeSwap and other similar exchanges. Need more information? Get in touch on Telegram and Twitter. Peachfolio DeFi Wallet Tracker mobile app is available now on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Who wouldn't want a mug with your favorite DeFi tracker on it? Go on, you know you want it.